Hello, now NFT experts. Well, I certainly hope this isn't a goodbye forever, and it's just a goodbye for now. I thank you so much for making it to the end of the course with me and taking your time to understand NFTs. Understanding what NFTs are, how to buy them, how to sell them, how to create them, and even how to trade them as well. That is a massive, impactful skill to know, especially as the future is getting more and more digital. You now know everything you need to know when it comes to NFTs. That is going to put you in a really solid position, whether you're looking to implement this stuff yourself in your spare time, maybe you want to go NFT full time, or maybe you even want to get a job in the NFT space. The knowledge and information you've learned in this course is going to put you miles beyond the average person. I am really humbled and grateful for your support. I wish you tons and tons of success on your NFT journey. The amount of opportunities out there in the NFT space is literally endless. There is new projects launching literally every single hour, and you have all the skills you need to be able to get involved in them. I truly, sincerely hope this course has given you everything and more you expected to get from it. I really hope you found the course valuable. I spent a lot of time and a lot of effort putting it together, especially hiring the animator, as you would have saw earlier on in the course. So please be sure to leave me a review. It would mean the world to me if you can leave me some feedback. Lastly, it would be awesome if you could share the course on your social media platforms and share it with anyone who you think would get value from it. Sharing is caring. Once again, thank you. I hope you loved it. I had a great time making this, and hopefully I'll see you in another one. Goodbye for now.